Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Result Plus PT. I hope you had a great 4th of July weekend, great holiday weekend. I hope you got to spend some time with yourself, with your family, get some well-deserved rest and relaxation. Now, during some of the downtime, I was thinking, about, the day, the holiday itself, and I hope everyone, like, I hope people didn't get lost with. So that's my message for today. I hope people didn't get lost with all that celebration, especially after COVID. People going out with the barbecue, fireworks. I hope people didn't get lost with all those and forget what the day really means. And I wish people can see the holiday through the lens of an immigrant, through with an immigrant mindset. And what I mean by that is, well, people fought for our independence, for our freedom. And those of you who know my story, my great grandparents, came from China, and as we all know, China is a communist country. So they left there trying to get a better life. Went by boat to the Philippines. And back then, in the 1800s, it was a cargo. It was like a cargo ship. The story I was told, and they went into those containers. They risked their lives, going to the Philippines. And then, my parents were born there, and I was born there. But then, I wanted to have a better life for myself and a better life for my son. So I came to America, and I came here with only $50 in my pocket. There was one point one point in my life there that I had to recycle those cans for 5 cents to to be able to buy groceries. And America is the only place that I know that we can create something out of nothing, as long as you are willing to put the work in. And people fought for that freedom, fought for that independence, for so that we have that freedom to be able to do what we want to do, to have a better life, to have a better future for us and for our for the next generation, for me, for my son, to be able to provide him better education, to be able to provide better better living environment, better future for him. So, and that's the freedom that we all cherish. I hope people see that, and they can remember that, and not just just being able to celebrate. Yes, I do know that people complain left and right about what's happening right now, and nowhere is perfect. But America is the only place that I know that we can create that. We're free to do that, especially coming from like my ancestors were from China, can't do anything. And as much as we complain, I will take America any day, because I know that we can make something out of nothing, as long as we're willing to put the work in. And so that's the immigrant mindset. That's the seeing that holiday through the lens of an immigrant. So that's my message for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.